Natural home remedies for sunburn. Summertime approximately here and it is heating up out. The nice and cozy sun feels nice, but could have a toll on the skin. Children are almost from school, so there are many vacation HRS and outside adventures full of solar baking to bother with. When you are getting just a little crispy, here are a few how to remove the sting and speed your recovery, naturally. Baking soda. Fill your bathtub with cold water, add cup of baking soda and stir well. Soak within the water for around 15 minutes. After getting away from the tub, pat dry or let your body to air dry. Do this once daily before you get good results. Alternatively, combine 4 teaspoons baking soda with sufficient water to create a paste. Use the paste on the affected skin using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 10 minutes after wash with tepid water. Follow this remedy a couple of times each day for a few days based upon the seriousness of your problem. Aloe vera. Extract the gel from the portion of an aloe vera leaf. Place the gel within the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Use a light coating from the chill gel around the sunburned skin. Let it dry by itself, therefore the skin can fully absorb the medicinal qualities. Do this 5 or 6 times daily for a few days. Apple cider vinegar. Add cup of ACV for your bathtub full of warm water. Absorb this water for around 30 minutes. This helps balance the pH degree of sunburned skin and promote healing. Follow this remedy once daily when needed. Combine equal levels of ACV and cool water. Soak sponges within the solution and put on them the affected skin. Leave them on before the towels are dry. Repeat several times each day for few days until your problem improves.